I have such a pep in my step this morning, and if you've watched the last several vlogs, I've really been like, lunky isn't a word, but that's like what I want to say. Yesterday I didn't vlog, and I stayed in my robe the entire day. I think I brushed my teeth for the first time at like 5 o'clock.
I remember that.
The kids were like, why are you brushing your teeth? I'm like, don't worry about it. In the mornings when I work out, almost every time I work out, I Marco Polo my sisters on my drive home. So I'll just like, before I take off, I'll like hit the record, and then I'll just like record as I'm driving. Sometimes they get like weird shots up my nose or whatever. But this morning I was telling them about a dream that I had and how awful it was, and I hate waking up. What was your dream?
It was it's kind of a similar one I think I've had.
Yeah? You don't want to tell everybody?
No, but I just had my dream.
Okay, he doesn't want to tell you about it. I don't want to tell you about mine. You know what? I'm not going to tell him about mine. That's why I was more than happy to be like, okay, Cody had a bad dream too. What was your bad dream? It's embarrassing. You don't have to tell anybody. You don't have to tell anybody. You don't even have to tell me. I think today is going to be a good day. I want to show you a workout. Come here. I want to see if you guys kids can do this workout that I was doing today. It was so difficult and so hard.
Doing this?
No. I was finally gaining some confidence in like my mobility and like things that I'm able to do, and then she hits me with this, and I was like, okay, I'm back to square one. All right, so lay on your back, put your legs in the air, put your forearms in the air, and then rotate up and hit your opposite elbow. And then rotate down. Oh my gosh, I'm like doing it so much better than I was doing.
It's easy.
Oh, I can hardly get up. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, they're so hard. Okay. Anyway, that's the workout. Everyone is really into space buns, aren't they?
I know, I love them.
Cute. Those that have been watching for a while know every time I go to the dentist.
Is this a 7?
That is a 7, but it's backwards. You got to put the line on the other side. Those of you that follow and have followed for a while know that my dentist bill, my dental issues are extreme. This is my second or third round of visits. So that's like a year and a half with no cavities.
Really?
He's like, like 0 cavities. And you know what I told him? I was like, my husband and I have been doing intermittent fasting for over a year now. And I think because our eating window is a lot smaller and a lot more healthy, way less sugar, our teeth are more healthy. That's incredible. That's just like a side bonus of intermittent fasting. I talked about it in a couple of videos ago. I'm pumped. Speaking of dental stuff, I need to refill my little slot for these. I never thought I would like these little flossers so much in my life, but I'm an avid flosser, if you didn't know that. And I typically like just like a good old piece of dental floss, but these are just the best. I sit in bed and use them. They're just everywhere. So I'll put these in the description, and then I'll also put these trays in the description. They've kind of helped my life. And okay, let's just keep talking about dental stuff, okay? Joel and I have had these toothbrushes for a really long time, and the reason that it took us so long to purchase them in the first place was because they're expensive. But then every time I would come home and spend, you know, $2,000 on a root canal, I was like, all right, I'm finally gonna get one of these. Or like the gum surgery where like, cause all my teeth are receding like crazy. I've been using this probably consistently for like a year now.
Toothbrush?
Yeah, I was talking about the surgery where my recessed gums are, and I didn't think it was gonna make that big of a difference, but then I started using the electric toothbrush, and my gums have not gotten any worse, which they were progressively getting worse every time I was going to the dentist, and we were considering doing that surgery, the gum graft. Just between like all of the changes that I've been making in my life, my dental health has significantly improved. None of this is sponsored or anything. Like, I'm just genuinely telling you what I've been doing. So I'm going to link the toothbrush in the description for you guys too. If I can, I mean, I don't know, I'll find it or something super similar. It's worth getting because if you can take care of, if you can prevent the dental work, it's just like better and cheaper in the long run. So there's that spiel for you. There was something else I was gonna say too. My dentist told me to use this brand, so I've been using that, and I like the whitening one. All my teeth and stuff situation, I just spilled it for you. On my Instagram stories, I just got done. You can see my beautiful setup that I have here. I honestly actually really love this stand, so I'll link it. But I was showing everybody my air center diffuser thing, and to be honest, I don't like a lot of fall scents because they're just, I don't know, they usually feel and smell disgusting. Like they smell disgusting, they don't feel disgusting. This one's super good. It's called Pumpkin Chai. I do have a discount code with these guys. I'll put it in the description for you because it's something that I actually really like. If you can see right here, look, I used to have an oil diffuser that dripped and it literally etched and ate, like ruined the wood right here. Cody, there is a package on the counter for you that you may have.
So long.
Tell everyone what it is.
Well, I'm rebuilding my dad's Ghostbuster Lego set that he never finished, so I'm building it. And he lost a couple of pieces.
And when you lose pieces from Lego, they don't charge you to replace them. So you send in the pieces that you need. We were seriously missing all these pieces. Is that what you were missing? Wow. They'll send you replacement pieces for free. You just have to know what piece it is that you're missing.
Perfect. Thank you, Dad.
Here's the Lego set Cody is wanting to put together. Wow. Okay, now in the booklet it shows you what pieces it was, right?
Yeah.
Super simple. Let me tell you what I was thinking, Cody. This has been out for quite some time. If it's not done by Christmas, I'm gonna put it back in the box, and I can't promise what I'm gonna do with the box.
Fine.
Do you think you can have it done by Christmas?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Coming up like in 5
3 months?
3 months, yeah.
Do you think you can do it in 3 months? October, November, December. Yeah, you have 3 months. I bet you can get it done. I think for the rest of today, I'm going to go through and just kind of get things cleaned up. I'm going to make dinner for tonight. Cody, you have to repeat what you just told me.
Okay, so we had a sub today, and she can't tell the difference between me and my friend because we look so similar. And we well, our teacher wasn't in the classroom yet, so me and my friend switched spots super fast.
So did she call you the wrong name all day?
But we did this. I forgot to tell you something. My friend was still
At the desk.
still at the desk I was in, and so then I said, Kip, you should come in and take your drink and just say it. And I said, Kip, and so we did, and then the teacher she got so scared, and then we told her that I was me and my friend.
If that's all Cody's doing with his substitute teacher, I'll count that as a win because I was horrible for my substitute teachers. Like
I was super good. We got to play a bunch of matches because Ian had finished first.
That's fun. After getting up, getting ready, being productive for the day, you kind of, not that you forget about your problems or your worries. Forget about your worries and your cares, whatever the song is. It helps. Get up, get moving, get the things done that you need. Also take time, like believe me, I've taken days and just like laid in bed. So it takes both. It takes laying in bed, and it also takes just getting up and doing what you need to do.
I hate going to, well, I kind of like going to bed, but I just stay up doing my homework and reading. Let's
see what we're gonna do for dinner. I know I've got a whole bunch of broccoli, so I'll probably like roast broccoli and put fresh Parmesan cheese on top of it. And then I need to go to the store and get some chicken. So we'll have chicken and broccoli. And what I like to do is do half a plate of veggies and then, you know, whatever else on the other side. Guys, that is the vlog for today. If you haven't seen my makeup video, which most people haven't, I understand this is not a makeup channel. However, I really want to start doing like a beauty video like once a month. like once a month. Like when the kids go to school, that's like what I wanna do. So if you haven't watched it, go check it out. I'll put it in the description along with the discount code for the air diffuser. It smells incredible in my house right now. Just saying. Okay, bye.